Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide friends list on Facebook 2023. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your Facebook app. Once you're here, tap on Menu on the top right corner. And after that, tap on the settings icon on the top. From here, you need to scroll down. And after that, tap on How People Find and Contact You below Audience and Visibility. From here, you will get to see a lot of options. At the top, you will see an option that says Who can see your friends list. So as you can see, it is now set at Public. So tap on Public. After that, you will get to see multiple options. What you need to do is tap on Only Me. Once you set it at Only Me, no one else can see your friends list. Your Facebook friends list will only be visible to you. So that is how you can hide friends list on Facebook 2023. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.